Let's continue chapter 4, weathering and soil formation. In this chapter, we will study about soil and its formation. Soil is a natural resource and is the most important layer of the earth's crust. Its depth is about 1 to 3 meters because beyond this, the elements for plant growth are not present. The property of being fertile makes soil very important. Soil formation depends upon weathering and three additional processes. Organic activity. Children, organic activity is the accumulation of plant and animal material in the soil. This occurs when burrowing animals, humans, or plant interfere and work their way into rocks. Next is leaching. Leaching is the loss of nutrient caused by draining of water through the soil. It is caused because of heavy precipitation as it's shown in the picture also. Elevation and elevation. Elevation is the transportation of the particles downward into the ground, and elevation is the accumulation of transported material into the ground level. Now students, factors affecting soil formation. Parent rock. Parent rock determines the color, texture, chemical composition, mineral content, and the permeability of the soil. Relief, that is altitude and slope, determines the accumulation of soil. Flora, fauna, and microorganisms affect the rate of humus formation. Time, soil takes many years to form. So time determines the thickness of soil profile. Climate, that is temperature, rainfall influence the rate of weathering and humus. Soil composition. Soil is composed of 45% of mineral, 25% of air, 25% of water, and 5% of organic matter. Soil profile. Soil profile is a series of distinct horizontal layers. Soil profile contains humus, topsoil known as A horizon, rich in humus and minerals, subsoil B horizon, it is poor in humus, rich in minerals, weathered rock, also known as C horizon, it has little or no plant or animal life, bedrock, also known as parent rock or D horizon. Children, now soil erosion, it is removal of top layer of the soil. It leads to the loss of fertility of the soil. Factors affecting soil erosion can be classified into two groups. Physical factor, that is wind, intensity of rainfall, slope of land, vegetation cover. Cultural factors include overgrazing, deforestation, unscientific farming method. Soil conservation. Students, soil conservation is to maintain the fertility of the soil by protecting soil from erosion and nutrient loss. It is important because soil provides nutrients to the plant. Without soil, no healthy plant is possible. Animals get energy from plants. Soil provides housing for animals in the form of plants. Soil helps in water storage. Methods of soil conservation are afforestation, overgrazing. Soil conservation can also be done by implementing improved farming techniques like terrace farming, crop rotation, strip cropping, contour plowing. This map of India is showing major soil types. So this is alluvial soil, which is formed by the deposition of sediment brought by the rivers. This is fertile soil, black soil, formed due to the weathering of lava rocks, black in color due to iron, red soil, red in color due to iron oxide. Laterite soil is found in patches, red in color because of iron oxide. arid soil or desert soil, it is porous soil and uh, saline due to extreme aridity and wind erosion. Then mountain soil, rich in humus but slightly acidic. Now children, questionnaire for you. I'm giving you 5 minutes to do these questions in your copy, and we'll discuss these after 5 minutes. Name the most important layer of the Earth's crust. Which activity results in accumulation of plant and animal material in the soil? What is the decayed organic matter in the soil known as? What leads to the loss of soil's fertility? What is the farming done on mountain slopes known as? What are the series of distinct horizontal layers of soil known as? Thank you children. Stay safe, stay home.